Hello everyone and welcome to Matchbox Memory. It's been forever since Walmart's had some new products in their Matchbox line. Finally today I found this new Matchbox Collectors series, and I'm happy to say that we have some new castings here that we haven't seen before. So I'm excited to open these and have a look at them and review them and compare them to some of the previous versions of a couple of these cars that we've already seen. So the Porsche and the Buick Riviera we have seen before, and there's three cars there that we haven't seen. We will have a closer look at them, and let's get to it. Let's not waste any time. And then I just want to show you guys as well, we've got these two new two packs. They're Hot Wheels, but I just thought I'd show you guys these just because they're new to the Vancouver market, and maybe some of you guys haven't seen them yet. Anyways, let's not waste any time and have a look at these beautiful castings. We're going to start with a new casting here. This is the 1974 Toyota Celica GT liftback in orange. Not sure how I feel about that particular model. Just a note, these are quite expensive. They're, $7.50 in round numbers plus tax. And as you guys know, the Matchbox Collectors series is supposedly the premium series, but they're not fully metal. The bases are still plastic. So anyways, let's open this up and have a look at it. And let's have just a quick look at the back here. The licensing is from 2023. So no difference in the sort of the design of the box. Looks like it's the same or similar to boxes we saw in 2023 and 2022 in the Collectors series. 1974 Celica GT liftback. And let's have a look at it. Nice side detailing. Yeah, that does look quite good. Is that a moving part? Oh, it is a moving part. Look at that. Fully detailed engine. Wow, there is a lot of detailing in that. That is really, really well done. Black interior. Black base. Camera doesn't want to focus in today. That's a problem with these. You open it and then it doesn't really close again. It's not bad. The space in this one isn't actually that bad. Yeah, that's quite nice. Not sure it's worth the $8, but it is a nice casting. Happy to see it in the moving parts line where it's about half the price. All right, let's look at the Buick Riviera 1964. First time it's in the premium line. We did see this in the moving parts line in black. And I do have two of them, so I did pull them just to do a quick comparison. That is a smart car. Beautiful color. '64 Buick Riviera. All right, let's open that up. All right, so I've opened this one up as well, and once again, you can see it does have moving parts. The doors do open. This is an absolutely beautiful casting. Look at that. Clean lines. White interior, gray trim, or is that white? Can't tell if that's white or gray, but I think it's a white trim. Yeah, it's beautiful. Detail back, no number plate. Riviera on the right side there, and then look at that. Very, very nice. And of course, the rubber tires. Why is my phone not focusing today? There you go. 1964 Buick Riviera. And then I'm just going to compare it to the two. It's the same vehicle. I just picked up two because they're so gangster. I just love this car. I figure it's going to look really, really good in a diorama one day. So this is the moving parts. The only difference is that the wheels are plastic and not rubber like the one we just opened. You can see there is a bit of a gap between where the door is. A little bit too big for my liking. It disguises a little bit better on the black version, certainly more prominent in the red version of it. But still, beautiful vehicle. I love it. I've also pulled, I think these are Buick Rivieras. Yeah, Buick Rivieras from the Hot Wheels line. It seems to be it's the same year, but they look quite different. The casting itself. Like this, for example, doesn't have the round lights. And the back's quite different as well, even though it's supposedly the same year. 1964 Riviera. And I don't know my American cars that well, so I'm sure there's someone out there that can tell me why these look so different. 64 Riviera. And then I have a version of the Hot Wheels, which is from the Day of the Dead, which is pretty cool as well. All right, next, let's have a look at this new casting, the 2021 Subaru BRZ. I've already seen it in the Hot Wheels line. I think it's a 2021 in the Hot Wheels line. I'll have to double check on it. It's quite nice. Let's open it up and have a look at it. All right, so I've opened it up. And I don't know what I did with the box, but anyways, we don't need to see it. So there's the vehicle. Almost feels like a metal base. Pretty sure it's plastic though. Definitely has some weight to it. That might be a metal base. That's really, really nice. Good addition to the lineup. I wish they do some of these cars in a rally theme. All the rally cars seem to come out in the Hot Wheels premium lines. And of course, this is a new casting, so we haven't seen this before. Like nothing to compare it to. All right, next, another new casting. This time we're looking at the 1970 Oldsmobile 442. Seems like a huge gap in the wheel well there, where the tire ends and the wheel well begins. I feel like the tires need to be fatter. But still quite a nice design, and once again it looks like it's got a moving part. Doors look like they open, fully detailed, which is always nice. 2023 license, but it does say 2024 Mattel at the bottom there. That's interesting. So some of them say 2020. Oh no, they all say 2024 Mattel. All right, so let's open this up and have a quick look at it. Okay, so I wasn't that impressed with this vehicle when I saw it in the package, but now that I've opened it, I am absolutely thrilled with this particular vehicle. It is gorgeous. Even the wheel well doesn't look too bad. It's really, really nice. I'm not sure if I'm getting the full beauty of this vehicle on camera, but in person, it just feels really, really nice. It's got some good weight to it. Look at that, another metal. So I think they're graduating to metal bottoms here, which is nice. Typically, we've seen plastic bases in the premium lines, And you definitely feel like you're getting more value for money when it's a fully metal car. Look at that. That is just gorgeous. Doors are a bit stiff, I have to say. I'm not going to pry this open because I don't want to damage it. But this is an absolutely gorgeous car. Beautiful. I absolutely love this. Amazing. Okay. And last, we've got the Porsche Cayenne Turbo. Definitely seen this in the main line. I think this is the 4th version that I have. This time it's in almost a Spectra Flame lime green. It's not quite Spectra Flame. It's more of a metallic lime green, I would say. Actually, this one seems more Spectra Flame, but it's not quite Spectra Flame either. But it's got that sort of shine to it. Anyways, I can't take the camera off of that. It looks so good. Anyways, that is. Let's open this up. And then this one, I do have some vehicles to compare it to. I have the older version of it as well as the this exact version in a few different colors. This is the first time they've done, Matchbox has done this in the premium line, in the collector's line. So this one's the only one I think I have with rubber wheels. And I'm kind of excited to open it because I think that's a really, really interesting color. All right, so we've opened it up, and there it is, the Porsche Cayenne Turbo. And this metallic lime green with the black wheels. This is a nice set of wheels. Looks like a black interior, fully detailed. Look at that, look at the detailing. Looks amazing. And the exhausts are detailed. That does look good. These are pricey. I mean, this one, look at this. This one has a plastic base. Yeah, rubber tires. Okay, and then I don't want to spend too much time, guys. We're at 12 minutes. I've been doing really, really long videos, and I'm trying to shorten them up here. So just for you guys to see, this is the old casting. This is the 2004 Porsche Cayenne Turbo. And I've got 5 different versions of it. These are all main lines. You can see these all have plastic tires. Beautiful casting. I like this 2004 casting as well. And then we've got the one we just looked at, and then those 3 are recent. They're exactly the same as the green one, but in different colors, and these are just mainline vehicles. And as you can see, these all have plastic tires. So there it is. That is my Porsche Cayenne collection that I have from Matchbox. I think they're all beautiful. Honestly, if I'm being really honest, I think the 2004, the older casting, is actually the nicer one for me. The newer one is a little bit more sleek, but there is something about that old Cayenne that speaks volumes to me. Anyways, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so, and don't forget to hit the like button on YouTube.